made for this moment. I live and breathe for my calling. I was born for this.
Dito sa The VIP Club, dito sa 767, sobrang proud ako na nandito ako. At ito, sa loob ng 10 months ko dito, ito na yung first result ko.
To take my breath. Seems like my mind is a battlefield. Every day I'm having flashbacks. Take a step forward, then I'll backtrack. Got this baggage with too much to unpack. I'm running on empty. And if I'm honest, it feels like the end of the line. But there's people depending on me. I can't quit, gotta stay in this fight. It's my time. This is my destiny. This is my destiny.
Hindi ka pa rin tumigil. Naniwala ka pa rin sa sistema, sa grupo, and syempre sa sarili mo. Pinaka-importante dito, kailangan paniwalaan mo yung sarili mo na kaya mo.
Alam ko na etong car na to, ito yung magbibigay sa iyo ng maraming team, ito yung magbibigay sa iyo ng marami pang matutulungan sa negosyo na ginagawa natin, and at the same time, ito yung magiging dahilan para maging okay kayo ng family mo.
Lagi ko sinasabi sa iyo, huwag kang magalala, kahit anong sakripisyo mo na yan, uuwi ka, nakangiti yung pamilya mo. Diba, sakripisyo muna ngayon, pero dadating ang time, makukuha mo yung tagumpay mo. Ngayon, nandito na, yung first car mo na pinapangarap mo.
No regrets. This is my destiny. This is my destiny. My destiny. Running full speed, chasing that hate.
Masakit man sa loob ko pero mas pinili ko na pumunta dito. Sabi ko habang bata pa yung mga anak ko, gusto kong bigyan ng magandang buhay. Alam ko, lahat dito seryoso talaga na matupad yung pangarap nyo kasi kung hindi, sigurado ko wala ka dito.
This is my destiny. Running full speed, chasing that hate. No, I won't stop till I reach the peak. This is my destiny. This is my destiny. This is my destiny.
Follow like a strong man, but it's easier to push away.
Be very careful of the things that you will say to yourself. Pag sinabi mong ayaw mo na talaga.
Pero kung kagaya ka ni Sir Wilmore, na una pa lang sinabi na niya, mentor, hindi ako titigil, ilalaban ko to hanggang dulo, hanggang mabawi ko, hanggang mas malaki yung mangyari at hindi na ulit mawala. It will happen to you.
Got my heel caught in the snake. There is nothing you can hide. All the heel caught in the snake. There is nothing you can take. In my blood, it's in my veins. I'm still here. Congratulations, Sir Wilmore from Team Reborn. I'm still here.
I'm Wilmore Valenzuela, former Philippine Army at ngayon nagmamayari na ng Nissan Almera. Thank you, The VIP Club.